Hello, my name is Long, and here's my 595 shift resistor circuit. For this circuit, you need an Arduino microcontroller, and here I use a Nano, two LED bar graphs, two 74HC595N chips, and a potentiometer with, of course, wires, and two resistor networks. Now I'll be discussing how the circuit works, starting with the chips. The main purpose of the 595 is to expand the number of I/O pins you have on a microcontroller. 595 controls 8 output pins while needing 3 inputs, therefore giving you a total of 5 more pins. The 595 has 2 registers with 8 bits of data each. The first one is a shift register that accepts inputs. When a clock pulse is applied to the 595, the bits shift one place to the left. Upon enabling the latch pin, the contents of the shift register is copied onto the second register called the storage or latch register. Each output is connected to a storage bit, so when the bits change, so does the data. Now I will explain the code. So the first thing I did was to find my variables at the top, and byte represents numbers using 8 bits, so I use that to define the LEDs. Then what we do in the setup function is declare a variable pins for output. In the loop function, we set all the LEDs to 0, which is low, then call upon the custom function update shift register. Then we delay for a period of time, in this case it is 500 milliseconds, and then using the for command we wrote, we will start counting from 0 to 7 with a 50 millisecond delay in between. So the update shift resistor function works by setting the latch pin low and calling the function shift out, which will put the latch pin high and shift the bits all in one call. The shift out function takes 4 parameters, and in this case, so the first 2 is the data pin and the clock pin respectively, and the third is which of the data I want to start at. In this case, I use MSB first, which is most significant bit. You can also use LSB, least significant bit first, for the other way around. And so the last parameter is the data needed to be shifted, which in this case is a variable LEDs.